All right, here's one of my favorite pastimes, running. Hopefully they're out there running on the trails. So they start at the same point and the same time. Let's say, start right here. And then they go off in different directions. I guess they're not friends after all. Anyway, so one goes from the south. So here's the south line. And then runs towards the west. And then this is 12 degrees. Now this person is running 8 miles an hour, and they're going to do that for 2 hours. That means that they run 16 miles. That's a good start. So they end up right there. Now the other person goes from the north. So here's the north line. And then they go towards the east by 77 degrees. So if I put the east like right here, just really lightly, then 77 would be pretty close. It would be like this. And they're running 9 miles an hour for 2 hours, so they're going to run 18 miles. Now that's starting to look like an honest run. Could almost call that a workout. So this is 18 miles. And they went from the north to the east is 77 degrees. So then the question is, find the distance between them. So the distance from this runner right here to this runner right there. So we could connect those and make a triangle. That's good. The only problem is there's a big gap here that's missing information. Well, what I could do is say, maybe I should have went ahead and drawn that east line. So this is going to the east. Now, of course, north and east are perpendicular, so between this black and this red line is 90 degrees. So if this is 77, then this must be 13 degrees, so that these two add up to 90. And then the east line and the south line are perpendicular, so this is 90 degrees. So if you were to redraw it to make it a more simplified version, it looks like this. This is 16, this is 18 miles. And this is the distance between the two runners, so I'll call that x. And then this angle right here is made up of 12 degrees plus 90 degrees plus 13 degrees. (12 degrees plus 90 degrees plus 13 degrees is 115 degrees. That's like Las Vegas hot, 115 degrees, and they're out there running. All right, now we could do the law of cosines. So now we have the angle across from the x, so it starts with x squared equals 16 squared plus 18 squared minus 2 times 16 times 18. And then cosine of that angle across from it, 115 degrees. (16 squared plus 18 squared minus 2 times 16 times 18, and also times cosine of 115 degrees. Are they really 823 miles apart? No, because we still need to take the square root. So now the square root of 823.428, they are 28 miles apart. Actually 28.695 miles apart.